We should do a video about this week. Remember when we used to go to Hagwon? Every day our meal, our dinner was Taco Bell or Wendy's?
Yeah. We can do like a healthier version of it. Our version of a healthy Crunchwrap Supreme.
Hey guys, welcome back to Angie's Table. So we decided to go with the idea that sparked our mind, and we were reminiscing about our high school days when we would go to Hagwon, which is academy. Is it academy?
It's an academy, but it's more of like a I don't know. Asians know what it is.
We would literally eat Taco Bell and Wendy's almost like every night. It would always be one or the other. At Wendy's we would get the chili and baked potatoes, and then at Taco Bell we would get the Crunchwrap Supreme, and Grace occasionally got those nachos that I never liked. But that's why we decided to do a Crunchwrap Supreme, but healthier. So let's go and see what ingredients we're gonna need for today. We'll start off by cooking our beans first. Add in our beans. And I've added all the seasonings to this bowl, so we'll add this into the pan as well. Just gonna add a little bit of water. So you just have to cook the beans for about 2 minutes or so, just so that the seasonings can get mixed and well absorbed into the beans. I moved all the black beans into this bowl, and we'll set this aside, and I wanted to talk to you guys about the tortilla that we're gonna be using. So I picked this up at the grocery store. It looks like this is from the brand Olay Mexican Foods, and it says on here that it's 100% whole wheat and flaxseed. There's 17 grams of fiber, which is a good amount, 7 grams of carbs per serving, and it's 80 calories. There's no sugar added and no hydrogenated oils. So just to compare this with a regular tortilla, this has 200 calories. So this Olay brand one is like less than half of what a normal tortilla would have. Carbs, it's 34 grams, whereas this was 7 grams. So you already see a huge difference there. This doesn't have any sugars added, but there's also no fiber in it as well. Won't help you with the digestion. But anyways, this seems like a healthy alternative, so we're gonna use this since we're going with a healthier version of the Crunchwrap Supreme. I have a pan with grill marks on it, which I thought would be kind of cool. So I'll just, first off, I don't have the fire on. I laid the tortilla down, and we'll add half of the beans onto the middle. Next, we'll add this tostado. And then we'll let's add the Laughing Cow cheese. I'm gonna try to spread it on as best as I can. Laughing Cow cheese will be acting as a sour cream and the cheese. We'll add some lettuce and some tomato. And I sliced up my tomatoes, but if you guys want to use guac or mash the avocado, that works too. We're gonna fold this like the Crunchwrap Supreme. And then flip it so that it seals it. So now we turn the fire on and we cook it on each side so that they have grill marks. And I'll flip it now. Wow. Excuse me? Put it on this plate. Look. Look at this. Oh. Time for one more. Thanks for watching till the end, and make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't done so, and we'll see you guys on our next video.